Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am finally here with my Alice in Wonderland album that Crafts by Teresa and I did. We went back and forth on each other's channels. I had some last minute touches. I was waiting for my little corner pieces to come in. And plus I had this right here. I made this a while ago. God, a year ago, maybe two possibly. From a kit from Bima's Crafty Corner, and it's Allison related, so I wanted to incorporate that in this as well. This is already sold. Didn't even have to do a video to sell it, guys. My daughter saw it. She bought it for a friend of hers for Christmas. So, as you can see, it's kind of chunky. It's got the hinges here, the corners here. This is what my side looks like. What the back looks like, and there. And I'm just going to take this out real quick. All I did is kind of tuck it in, and it also is the bracelet. Remember that when she did them? So there's Alice in there, you know, a little sleeping potion, the cat. I can't remember his name at the moment, you know. So I incorporated that in there. Eat me, drink me. So that's just going to get tucked in there. So let's open it. So when you first open it, you have this little hinge, and it flips open like so. And you have on each end a little pocket with some tags in. Then these cute little bookmarks or little things I have right there. It says Wonderland. Let's see if I read it here. I can't read it. Is better where you are completely last. And the King's one says, I got a really small writing. I can't even read that, guys. I hope you guys can read that because I can't read that. Let's get the magnifying glass. My eyesight, I swear, is getting worse and worse. Okay. What is the use of a book without pictures or a conversation? Okay. So there you go. And this one, of course, on Allison says, Wonderland is better when you've completely lost. Okay, got that one right. So, in the center of this opening page, I have Alice, like, pulling back the curtain. Got the kitty cat. I can't remember his name right now. It's driving me crazy. So that's how you open and you see it. And then when you flip to the center, the next one you see, if you go like this, is they're all with the Mad Hatter having a tea party. So that's how they look when you flip to each signature. We're going to start in the center, and I'm going to flip. So in the center, I just put a bunch of little tags that are from various things I got from Etsy and Stamperius. You can journal on the back. Then I also made this little book. Just Alice. Just a little journal. And then I got a pocket. It says Wonderland. And that gets tucked there. What is it when you want to put something back? You can never get it back the way you had it. Okay, there we go. How it always is, right, guys? Just kind of tuck them in. There we go. Then on this side, we're going to go this way. It's got the king, and it says, Begin at the beginning, the king said very gravely, and go on until you come to the end, then stop. And this flips open, and then you got a journaling spot here. Got some little cards hanging, and then you got a pocket, and I got a bunch of little cards in here, and some little journaling cards, and this one is double-sided. This is a postcard, and it's double-sided, and you've got the queen going, take off her head! Of course, you know, And I got these little itty bitty cards. Not itty bitty, but they're in there. And then on this side is the queen. Off with the head! Off with their head! And then you flip. Mainly basically the same thing. Got a little bit of journaling cards. And playing cards. And that is the center. And then we'll flip out here. And I got drink me. Got some teapots. Take some more tea. And then this are all little teas. Or teacups and teapots that you can take out. Put them somewhere, wherever you choose. Then over here is a pocket. And I got a key and a stopwatch. And then I got some little journaling cards and a little envelope, and you open it, and there's some more little teapots in there. And then we'll flip this way. And this section, I got a long tail, I got the rabbit, and little playing cards. And this little this is a Tim Holtz die, if anybody was wondering. Over here, I got some more journaling cards. Would you like an adventure now? Or shall we have our tea first? And then in this envelope is some playing cards. And of course, stopwatch or pocket watch and a key. I always say stopwatch, and I mean pocket watch. And then we're just going to close that. And we're going to close that. We're going to flip here again. This one is a side pocket. And you can take this out. You can add a picture to it on both sides. And I just tucked some tags there. And you just put that back. Right there. And then over here, I'm just going to use this tag, is this little frame. But if you really wanted to, you could put a picture, because it does. I didn't glue it all the way down, so you can go behind and then maybe glue it down so your picture looks like it's part. I'm actually going to leave that there so they know. And we'll just put this one back over here. So, whoops. Never mind. Okay. And then over on this side, there's another pocket. I got a little charm hanging here, some tags, and then another pocket. Another pull-out where you can add a picture and some tags or journaling cards. I always say journaling cards, tags, whatever the person chooses to do with them. But to me, I'd put a picture here. Put a picture and then journal about it on the back, you know. That's my idea. Just an idea. And behind. And we'll flip. And that's that one. Can I flip this all through? Sometimes it gets confusing. Yes. Okay. Now we're going to flip this way. We're going to go back here. We're going to start from the beginning. So, same thing here on this side. Got a pocket. Some little journaling cards. More journaling cards. Another pull out. It does go in. You just kind of, sometimes you have to work them a little bit to get them where you want. Okay. There we go. A couple tags. Drawing some cards. Got a little kitty cat, or no, a rabbit right here. And some tags. Drawing cards and tags. Then this one over here is another one. I'm going to pull this out. also, you can put it behind a rabbit. And then you got the journaling card as well. Got a little pocket watch. And we flip. And then we're back to this part where I showed earlier. And then you close it. And then this goes this way. And then this goes like this. And that closes it up. A little bulky a little bit, but I like it. So I want to thank you guys for watching my Alice in Wonderland album. Let me know what you think in the comments below. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Bye for now.